Here are a couple ways ExpertFlyer subscribers use the flight availability feature. One way is to figure out how full a flight is. Say you're flying from JFK to London on American Airlines, and you have a little bit of flexibility, so you search for plus minus 3 days. And say you want to figure out which flight you can get for business class. On this flight departing at 9:50 a.m., we can see that all of the business class seats are full. So we wouldn't necessarily pick this flight unless we wanted to fly coach. Now, if we just want to see if there's any availability, for example, then this is an example of a flight that would be fully booked and not an option for us to go to London, Boston to London, leaving at 8:10 p.m., all zeros. One of the questions our more advanced users try to answer is, how do I figure out which flight I have the greatest chance of getting an upgrade or upgrades becoming available? If we use the flight availability search on ExpertFlyer, we can find flights that have availability in discount inventory. So for example, if you want to go from coach to business on American, one of the ways that gives you a clue as to how American Airlines is viewing that flight is to look for discount business class. So if we do the same search, JFK to London, departing October 9th, one important thing is to make sure you exclude code shares because these upgrades won't be available on code share flights. So we can see that some of these flights have discount inventory available while others do not. That several of the flights have a lot of discount inventory available. So here you'll see there's C7, J7. You can read that as there are at least 7 seats in C class and in J class available. These letters indicate the fare booking code. C is discount business class, while J is full business class. R, D, and I are the discounts. And as the letters get further down, they are cheaper. I inventory is the cheapest discount for business class on American. So if I were searching for a flight where I have the highest probability to get upgraded, I would look for a flight that has a lot of availability on the cheapest discount. So you can see an example, this flight departing at 7:30 p.m. has I-7. That would be a good candidate for a flight where I'm likely to get an upgrade because the airlines will release more of the discount business class on those flights where their algorithms project that they will not sell all of the seats at higher prices and need to make some available at a lower price to fill up the business class. The same goes for first class. So there are fewer discount inventories in first class, whereas this flight departing at 9:50 a.m. has no discount inventory available, so I'm unlikely to get an upgrade on that flight.